welcome to QDPod. I am Jay. In this video tutorial, I'm going to explain to you about the membership tiers, account tiers, and how they work. If you go to your FAQ under the account, what are the account tiers? Here you have a detailed explanation of our membership account tiers. We have 4 account tiers. The top one is gold, the platinum, silver, and newbie. So you will be entitled to each account tier based on the amount you spend per year. For the newbies, if you have placed one order, $300 plus, you will be a newbie member, and technically all the new customers are newbie members. And if you have spent over $8,000 per year, up to a certain time in that year, you will be upgraded to a silver membership. And if you have spent over $20,000 per year, you will become a platinum member. And if you have spent $50,000 plus, you are a gold member. Remember that these memberships are applicable for each year. So every year, on the first day of every year, the account will be set back to newbie. So because every year you need to spend certain amount to become a certain account tier, and once the year end, your membership is set back to 0, because again for that year you need to spend a certain amount to reach to that account tier. So for example, from January up to May, for example, you spend $20,000 ordering from our system, from our website. You will become a platinum member, and from May until December, end of December, you will be enjoying a platinum membership. But from the start of the next year, from January 1, you will be set back to newbie again. So again, whatever you spend on that year, in that year, you will be entitled for that membership. So right below here, we have explained for different membership tiers, what are the benefits. So if you're a gold member, and after becoming a gold member, if you order 2,000 to 5,000 per brand, you will be entitled for 5% extra discount. Remember, this discount is on top of all other discounts like wholesale discount, any coupon, and so on. So this 5% is on top of the wholesale prices. That's an extra discount. And under gold member, if you order 5,000 to 10,000, you will be getting 6% extra discount. And 10,000 to 20,000 orders, you will get 7%. And 20,000 plus, you will get 8% extra discount on top of the wholesale prices, which are already deeply discounted. So if you're a platinum member, the discounts are mentioned right here, silver here, and newbie right here. So these are the benefit for the membership accounts. And all the membership account tiers, they are automatically changed by system based on your order amount for that specific year. So let me explain how the discounts work. If I go to my account, I am a newbie member, mean a new member. And I have already added products to my cart. If I go to checkout, being a newbie member from 2,000 to 5,000, I am entitled for 2% extra discount on top of the wholesale prices. So if my account tier change, for example, from newbie, I become, let's say, silver member. So then what happened to my discount? So now if I go back to my account, which is changed to silver now, and I go to checkout, my discount changed to 3% from 2%. So for 2,000 to 5,000. So if I become a gold member, for example, so what's going to happen to my account discount on my order? I go my account, and now I change to gold member. I become a gold member, and the header also for your account changed to gold color. And you go to your account now, see, being a gold member, I can get a 5% discount for order 2,000 to 5,000, and this is what I explained you on the FAQ page. Now, if my order is over 5,000, so what happens? Let me edit my order to go above 5,000. Let's say now my account order is 5,000 plus. So see, my discount also changed to 6%. And this discount is on top of the wholesale discount, remember, and it's something a big benefit, to be honest, a big discount for the people, for the customers who wish to get who are more regular buyers, so they can enjoy extra discount to be a loyal customers of QT. And right here on the top, you can see that right now your account, your ordering range is 5,000 to 10,000. But if I add another 4,436, that will become a new tire that is 10,000 plus, and I will be entitled for 7% discount if I reach to that tire. So, and also when you try to place order, system will give you the notification as well. Sorry, this item is discontinued. We cannot check it out, so we have to remove it. Instead, we increase the quantity for these items, so still 3,000. Let's go above 5,000. So now we are above 5,000. Discount is still 6%. So if you want to place the order, system will give you a notification that you got 6%. But if you add another 4,700, you can get 7% discount. So you know what is your next account, the order amount tire for extra discount. So this is it pretty much about the account tires. I hope is clear to you. This is a new thing we have introduced for our loyal and regular customers. I hope everything is clear. If still you have any concern or questions, you can comment below in the comment section, or you can contact us through our website, and we will be very happy to help you. So we look forward to you to become our a loyal and regular customer. Thank you so much for watching, and wishing you a great day ahead. Bye bye.